After watching wig now, here and there videos, I just thought to myself that I needed to do something. And then I realized that most of all these videos, most of all this hair lacks maintenance. Yeah, you, auntie, I'm talking about you. Yes. So this video is for you. Just stay tuned and watch this video
on how I recall this fiber hair. While watching this video, I also want us to know that you don't really need to break a band before you look luxurious, and even the woman hair needs maintenance. Likewise, there are some fiber hairs that also, when you maintain it properly, they are going to give you this luxurious. It's just that the treatment used on fibers hairs are slightly different from the ones we use on our woman hairs. So going straight to the main purpose of this video, I have just 10 bendy rollers to work with to achieve this great cause that we want to achieve. Then after cutting the portion I want to work with, I then comb. As you can see how I'm combing, I comb from the tip, and then I added treatment best known to me. And with this treatment, you can use different deep conditioner and mix it with water to work. Leaving this, I believe that we all knows how to roll hairs. It's not compulsory that you have to roll the way I roll. There are different ways of which you can roll your hairs with bending rollers. Then after that, I switch to the front. Then I try as much as possible where I want the rolls to start from, of which this is what it is and this is what the ends looks like. Then after that, I prepare my hot water. Then after that, I put in the treatment, deep conditioner treatment. There's not really need a serious treatment to put on this hot water. Then I dip in the air inside the hot water, and then I covered it for like 30 minutes or so. After that, I went out to go and dry it. You dry it and make sure that you don't need to hurry for it to dry. For me, I dry for like 2 to 3 days on very hot suns, and you can see how the ends turned out to be. You can see how it's already giving the luxurious look. After that, I started splitting the coils. In this stage, you have to be careful so that you don't tamper with the coils. In fact, the coils is already there already. There's nothing like you want to tamper with it. You just have to be careful to direction the way you want your coils to looks like. And as you can see, without being told, it's already giving us the luxurious look we want. Doing that front part, I work with my straightener and also my hot comb to give us that perfect look. I also want us to know that while working with our straightener, we should always make sure we use our heat potentant, just as seen in this video. Kindly follow the way I've This is the evidence that you can recoil that fiber hair you own. So please don't disgrace us, auntie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me for more video tips. Bye.